Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. For today's video, I'm going to be discussing how to edit and create videos for content creation. One of the biggest things to know is what platform you plan to be posting your videos on. I find that longer form video content means I have to prep more and plan to spend a day editing and exporting videos. For shorter form video content, let's say TikTok, it's pretty standard practice to film using your phone and edit through the app. This can also apply for platforms like Instagram or even if you're doing YouTube Shorts. Now, I'm not super familiar with short form video content as much as I am with longer form, as I'm constantly making videos for YouTube every week on this channel, along with using my spare time to make highlight videos and gaming clips for my streaming and gaming YouTube channel. When making longer form videos, it typically requires more time, effort, and even equipment, which is what leads me to my next tip. Make sure you have some form of editing software or applications. For doing things such as creating thumbnails, adding music, or adding graphics, I recommend using Canva as it's free, but you can also pay to have a more premier version with more graphics and things to choose from. For adding and editing videos or clips, I typically use Premiere Pro, and I'm usually adding things such as recordings of streams where I clip the parts I like in Premiere, or I use an application called Outplayed, where it's set up to automatically record highlights of my games and I can then export them to add over in Premiere and create highlight videos for YouTube. It's a little different though when I make these videos, as I typically add everything together into Premiere once they're done. Meaning, I do all my graphics and music in Canva, where I then have to manually add the time of each slide of graphics to match my voiceover. I then add the video with music into Premiere, along with adding my voiceover, and then testing to make sure everything is timed correctly. It's very much a trial and error thing, but once I got a system down, I was able to start making videos a lot more efficiently and effectively. Now, for recording and editing voiceover, you can use either Canva or Premiere, but I personally prefer using Canva to record and then edit through Premiere, as it also allows me to listen to my voiceover with any music or other sounds I may have added along. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye everyone!